Unearth hidden treasures and uncover secrets beneath your feet with the top metal detectors on the market today. In this video guide, we're going to take a look at the best metal detectors available today. If you enjoy videos like this, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest in tech trends. Now let's explore how these tools can transform your search for the past into an exciting adventure. Coming in at number 3 is the MIYAY Lightweight Metal Detector. This device transforms beginners into treasure hunters in no time. Its lightweight, intuitive design, coupled with an LCD display and adjustable sensitivity, makes it perfect for family activities and solo adventures. The MIYAY detector is a gateway to uncovering hidden gems and creating unforgettable memories. For more details about the MIYAY Lightweight Metal Detector, check out the product link in the description box. Ranked at number 2 is the SAKOBS Waterproof Metal Detector for adults. Boasting a 10-inch search coil and 3 distinct operational modes, this metal detector elevates your treasure hunting game. Its expandable design suits both adults and kids, making it an ideal gift for anyone keen on exploring the outdoors with a bit of mystery. Dive into your next adventure with SAKOBS and uncover relics buried beneath your feet. For more information about the SAKOBS Waterproof Metal Detector, check out the product link provided in the description box. At the top of the list is the DR.ÖTEK Metal Detector for adults. Elevate your treasure hunting with this high-performance device, featuring 5 upgraded modes and a wide, responsive LCD display. The DR.ÖTEK excels in versatility and efficiency, making it the ultimate tool for both enthusiastic beginners and seasoned professionals. It's also packed with accessories to jumpstart any expedition. To learn more about the DR.ÖTEK metal detector, see the product link in the description box. And there you have it, an exploration into the world of metal detecting, filled with insight and tips to get you started or enhance your journey. If you found value in our guide, do us a favor by hitting the like button. It helps more than you know. Don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this, ensuring you never miss out. Your support motivates us to keep sharing knowledge and passion with you. Thanks for watching.